Yeah. I'm trusting that this process that I'm about to pull together will work. I have a fear of flour. We all are.
Right now.
I have had a fear of flour. So even while in my days of cooking,
I trust that this will come out.
You trust that? So flour sometimes just gets me nervous. You know, it just gets me nervous.
Yeah.
So over the years, I try to conquer that fear.
Okay.
Right.
As you should do in life, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm doing a breakfast biscuit that I will present a platter with you guys to have a nice breakfast, kind of.
Nice.
I can eat breakfast whole day.
Right, true.
I love breakfast. The idea of breakfast, eggs. I can do eggs for dinner.
Right.
That's how I wrote, right?
Yeah.
All right. I'm not doing eggs today, but I'm doing flour. It's a cheesy, because we're using some wonderful products from Anchor. It's a cheesy biscuit.
Nice.
Real simple, real easy. We call it like cheesy drop biscuits. So you don't even have to be fancy with the biscuits. You just drop it. It bakes, rustic kind of vibes, and you have breakfast.
Right.
Let's go! So I have flour. So before I must first kind of get my flour. So I have some salt that I'll add to my flour. Some baking powder. Right? You can, guys, of course, get the recipe on our YouTube channel. All the different combinations on our YouTube channel, Carpaccio Caribbean. I just want to mix in all those dry ingredients together. I then add some butter, as well as I want some garlic in with that butter. Now, if you don't want to use fresh garlic, when I can use fresh ingredients, I do.
I prefer fresh.
But just, some people peel the garlic. They may not have one of these, where I can just simply crush my garlic and I get garlic.
Right.
You can use garlic salt.
Nice.
But where I can use fresh ingredients, I really.
I mean, why use garlic salt if you have?
If you have fresh. So you're all thinking a lot. So this is a little tool that my wife gave me, and I started to use it.
As you should.
As I should. And it's really just to kind of get the butter and the flour mixed in and incorporated. But you see the crumbliness? You see the crumbliness. And when you know it's right as well, I'll tell you when you know it's right as well. When you pull it and you do that.
Nice.
And it comes together like that. I've done it before.
I've
done it before. So that's what you're looking for. And guys, now you have that together. I have a cup of milk and 1 egg. And I get that in there. And I just kind of gently get the egg yolk and the milk.
Very gentle for a big man.
Yeah, sometimes you have to be gentle. You have to be gentle. So and just get it mixed in there. And then you throw all your wet in there.
Nice.
And then you add.
Cheese it up.
Now this is sharp cheddar. So it's from the new specialty line of Anchor cheese.
I mean,
you know wine and cheese kind of vibes?
Yeah.
This is how the sharp cheddar could come across. But it's sharp cheddar. It's not the ordinary cheddar.
Right, yeah.
It's a sharp cheddar that's fantastic. Because it's cheesy biscuits and I want that cheesy bite, I'm using the sharp cheddar. So I add it straight in there and I mix.
I'm gonna make that.
And this is so, you see, that's the moment you will make it. Because it's simple, real simple. 1 butter, 1 dough. Make sure the flour, the eggs, the milk, everything comes together.
The measurement's perfect.
And the
color come together.
Easy. And now it's time to do the biscuits. So I have a greased dish. An ice cream scoop is your best friend here.
Nice.
You want to take a little bit and just drop it. That's all you do. So no fancy shape.
Yeah.
This bachelor kind of food.
Right,
You quick drop. Now, important to leave a little space, but when it goes in the oven, it'll spread a little bit.
Right.
Bam, in the oven. It bakes for no more than about 15 to 20 minutes.
Nice.
And you have biscuits.
What temperature is it baking on?
It's baking at 350.
Okay.
And through the magic though.
And you get these wonderful. Wow. You smell that cheesiness? That Anchor cheesiness that you got there? It gets even better when I present you with one of my platters.
Wow.
So I tell you, it's a breakfast man. I am a breakfast man. When I do a breakfast platter, I must have choices.
Yeah.
So I did some fried dry. Yeah.
Fried dry though?
When last you see fried dry?
I mean...
I love
Bait, right?
Hey, so sometimes Sunday morning, I love a fried dry ever so often with a fried bake.
Yeah.
But you can now do cheesy biscuits with it. Eggs, I have some turkey, some fruit of course, and some Anchor butter just in case you want to keep it simple. Yeah.
I didn't know I was coming here.
You didn't recognize it was all that. You didn't recognize all that. So taste up, guys. Thanks to the folks at Anchor, we have breakfast. We have breakfast.
Bro,
We have breakfast.
say that.
Yeah.
I'm so warm. That's real good, bro. Oh.
What you could actually do as well is use some Parmesan cheese and dot all over it just before you put it in the oven. As Mohammed said, you can put some twists, different twists on it.
If you think I'm not going to eat regular,
Yeah.
all I do is watch cooking shows.
That's what you do? Very well, very well. Muhammed Muwakil, again, right?
Almost.
Muwakil. Out of the Freetown Collective, guys. And of course, Nickolai Salcedo. They're coming back. We're sharing a cup. We get deep into the film Lavway and looking at the future of what Carnival Productions will look like in Trinidad and Tobago. Come on back. Roll out a recipe came to you courtesy Anchor Products.